Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 11 of the Newton Mudroom project. Today was supposed to be an outdoor day today. It's about 40 degrees. The sun is shining, and it's definitely, with this biting cold we have, it's a great time to take advantage of all the work we had to do outside. And that was included getting rid of this door here, which we did, and we framed it and we've skinned it, and that's ready for felt paper and then some shingles. And then this section over here, which was old shingles, we take a look at that, and we thought that we're going to be able to live with it, but it was just a little too messed up on the inside, so we had to pull all of that boarding out, and then we had to reframe it, and then we had to reskin it. So that's going to make our lives a lot easier when we have to blend these shingles in here to the existing shingles on the house. So that's about it. This day got cut a little bit short. My compressor of about 12 years decided that it was gonna pump its last breath today. So in this day and age, when everything we have, our guns, our staplers, it's all pneumatic, that kind of put a quick end to the project here today. So without that, yeah, we really can't do anything else. That puts us a little bit under the gun here where we need to be. Certainly we're feeling the time crunch, so we're going to come back out here tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to get that compressor working. If not, I got to make a trip over to the local big box store and then pick up a new one. If you guys got any suggestions on a compressor, I'm not sold with DeWalt. That was a compressor that my dad gave me, and so I've had a good run with it. But yeah, if there's a better compressor out there, particularly for working on locations, I'd love to hear about it. Drop me a comment, and then yeah, we'll be back out here tomorrow for day number 12, and hopefully we'll see some shingles then. Thanks for checking in.